Pier 2962 bound for Manila. We regret to inform you that your flight is definitely cancelled due to bad weather condition here in Butuanga Station.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep.
Hi guys, day 4. Sunday ngayon, 20th. Dapat nasa Mindoro na kami neto, pero sa 22 pa kami pa-flight. Actually, kahapon hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi nga mawiwindang na ako sa stay pa namin dito. Kasi hindi okay yung hotel. I mean, mababait yung staff, pero upon pagdating namin, akala namin okay kasi diba yung sa tour. Tapos lahat ng beddings pinapalta namin kasi ang kate. Tapos alam mo yung amoy hindi pa siya nagagamit. So pinapalta namin dahil nga sa amoy at saka ang kate niya sa balat. Tapos tingnan mo. Ito yung sabi ko na baka hindi pa nga nagagamit yung hotel. Ayan, kita niyo yung lawa. Tapos, tignan niyo yung CR. Ito siya. Yung water ng bowl is color ganyan kasi daw umuulan lahat. And also here. Dumating na yung laundry. Hello, ma'am. Thank you. Dumating na yung laundry. Mag-check out na kami today. Dahil hindi ako makaihi. Hindi kami makagamit ng tubig kasi ang dilaw. Tapos ang dumi. Nag-check kami ng ibang hotel kahapon. Okay naman yung sa iba. Yung dito ata, yung source nila is similar kung saan binabaha. May nakita kaming isa sa Fernvale. Na-check naman namin yung room. So, lilipat kami dun. Parang kahapon isang beses lang ako umihi. Hanggang ngayon hindi ako makaihi. So, ayun. Nagpre-prepare na ako noon and we'll see you later dun sa next hotel na pag-i-stayan namin. Okay? Bye! Very hot in Coron right now. See? Ate, tahimik dito, no? Oo. Sobrang tahimik. Maganda na yung weather, oh. Kaso walang flight. Can't do anything but try to live here for the next 2 days. No, 1 day na lang.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she...
Hi, we're in Jollibee in Coron. And we're trying yung spaghetti. Ang bango. See you later sa hotel.
By my side, I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with me.
Hi guys. We're back sa hotel. Tingnan niyo kung sino yung pangit kong katabi.
Alam naman, nanonood ako eh.
Gusto ko yung nagalat na yung paa niya sa'yo.
Ang kulit mo naman.
Saan ka?
Hilamos.
Ay, ngayon na? Ay, di pag nag-face mask ka, hindi ka na makain. Hoy, makain muna tayo dapat. Guys, ang mission ko talaga, inisin ng tatay ko everything.
Yan na.
Ano yun?
Pressure.
Ayoko nga.
Hala, pinag-hilamos mo na ako eh.
Ano sasabihin mo muna?
Please.
Hindi yun.
Ano, ganda mo naman. Yan.
Ano pa?
Ang bait mo naman.
Ano pa? Ano pa? Wala kang maisip, yun lang? Ay, hindi ha, madami pa.
Ang kulit mo naman eh.
Oh, out. Oh, pwede ka ba?
Kahit ano na lang.
Pwede ka.
Ito. Parang na yan.
Tingin.
Yun na yun.
Ito, gusto mo to?
Hindi.
Ay, dito na lang.
Kanina!
Oo. Tatlo. Ano yung pinakagusto mo? Bilis! Ano pinakagusto mo?
Tumaganda.
Ito? Ito? O, ito na lang. Guys, ito yung alaga ko. Yung ito yung facial yarn. Facial yarn. Oh, behave yan, behave. Bawal nakapiki.
Relaxing nga eh.
Ano, natutulog ka na eh. Hindi na tayo makakain. Natulog ka?
Hindi.
Eh, ba't ka nakapikit?
Wala ako relax.
Sige, sleep. 30 minutes yan, 30 minutes.
Okay.
Wow. The real.
Inay, hindi ko! Diyan ka na lang?
Yung dati tayo pinapatulog na inay sa tanghali, ngayon siya na.
iPad kid. Ang cute ng inay, oh.
The iPad Lola.
Ba, hindi hay, bababa mo pa lang si Cookie.
Pa 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 ra, pa pa pa. Live. Ano bang kulay? Step in the name of love. Puyat ako medyo. Yan. Nandito kami sa hotel. Ayun, sorry ina. Hotel's breakfast. Ano. Look. No mo yepa. Tana. Replay. Vegan po. For cereal. Cereal. Tapos may orange juice, fresh juice. Ito, coffee. Wow, nakatakip. Ano to? Ang pandesal? Ay, gusto ko to may hash brown.
Hanggang 8:30 yan.
Alin?
Yan.
Breakfast? Ah. Wow.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us. Wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now there are memories. Honestly, I can't be.
Hi guys! So, wait lang. Ayusin natin yun. Anong likod sinasabi mo, bulog? Kamaingay. Ingay ni Laika. So guys, ito yung view namin ngayon. Tapos, ito yung hotel. Medyo hindi nakita. Pero sobrang ganda. Di ba Inay, ito yung pinakamaganda sa tatlong hotel na napuntahan natin. So kasama ko si Inay. Inay, ano masasabi mo sa tour na to?
Masaya.
Masaya ka?
Kaya lang, maulan, hindi nakapamasyal ng ayos.
Oo nga. At saka na-stranded tayo, no?
Oo.
Kasi nagkaroon ng bagyo. So, hindi kami naka-fly. Nung magpaparebook kami, Tuesday na lang yung available. So, maglalakad kami ni Inay dito. Yan, hanggang dun sa dulo. Tapos, yung dalawang asungot, yung mga kapatid ko magbabike. Si tatay ata magbabike din. Si Ate Carol magmamotor. Naisasakay ka sa motor.
Ay, naku, ayoko. Ayoko na. Pero naman, lagi akong sakay sa motor. Nung ikakasal ang tatay mo. Lagi kami...
Sige na nga, ganyan na lang. Nung ikakasal si tatay,
Oo. Pabalik-balik kami. Saan kami pumupunta ng Ito.
Kwentong inay. Ayan na si Ate Carol. Sakay ka kay Ate Carol. Sakay ka, try mo lang. Ate Carol, pasakay daw inay. Experience lang. Oh, inay daw. Oo nga, pasakay nga daw. Oo, try. Ang damot na ito si Ate Carol. Exhibition. Exhibition nga dyan. Exhibition ulit.
When I don't know what is real, when I can't see the horizon before me, I will look up, raise my hands to the heavens, my hope and my refuge. I remember with hands held high that I was made for a love I could never lose. When the world is shaking all around me and the voices raging loud inside, still I will lean on what I know, that nothing separates me from your love. When I don't know what is real, when I can't see the horizon before me.
Magkano to, be?
20.
Uy, magkano to, inay? Kayod ka. Ba't lasang tutong? Kakainis ka naman, visit ka.
Kasi
Kaya pala di mo.
sunog yung arnival.
Lasang kawaling ano kinugkod yun. Nasira lang yung ano.
Patay. Hindi. Kaya. Ang ano yan, hindi nalagyan ito.
Ang daya ng tatay.
Patay.
Hindi ha, dito nagtapos ang inay.
Kain nyo ito.
Ayan. Wala namang kakainin sa iyo, madam.
Nothing has been the same, yeah, ever since you arrived. Coming into my orbit, be my satellite. But how do I pull you closer when you're in outer space? Want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love.
Good morning, announcing the arrival of flight here 2961 from Manila. Once again, Philippine Airlines announcing the arrival of flight here 2961 from Manila. So, departing passengers that will be waiting for your flight has just arrived. We shall commence boarding once the cabin preparation and aircraft servicing has been completed. Meanwhile,
Finally, we are going back to Manila. With this, shorten yung time namin sa Calapan, but still, diretso kami ng Calapan today. Baha is the kalaban, but still, the faith that we can go home today is staying strong. No bad news. Only good news. Okay, see you in Manila, guys. Bye.
Nothing has been the same, yeah, ever since you arrived. Coming into my orbit, be my satellite. But how do I pull you closer when you're in outer space? Want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were my satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer, satellite, satellite. Looking outside my window, seeing you in the sky. Wanna give you a diamond, yeah, I wanna make you mine. Sending a sign from up above, 'cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were my satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer, satellite.
Arrived at Terminal 2 Naiya, but the weather is actually not that great. So now we will brave the big waves. See?
Ito na yung second resort na napuntahan namin.
Dito tayo sa likod.
Ito yung start na ano niya.
Hello.
Pinalinis na.
We're currently on the way going to
Grabe, may nagsasunbaiting.
Batangas.
Para siyang may ano.
But
Yung pinaglalayan ng mga
we're here.
nagsasunbaiting sa ano.
Bahang
resort.
baha.